Hey everyone, welcome back to the Best 5. In today's episode, we're on a quest to find the best rotary tool on the market. From crafting to construction, we've got all your needs covered. We'll compare features, performance, and price points to help you choose the perfect tool for your toolbox. So, let's rev up and dive right in. Number 1. GOXAWEE 140 Pieces Rotary Tool Kit with Multi-PR. The GOXAWEE Rotary Tool Kit is an excellent, budget-friendly choice for a variety of projects, including crafting, metalworking, and woodworking. It comes equipped with over 100 attachments and accessories, enabling users to engage in activities such as engraving on stone, glass, or metal, cutting, wood carving, model making, and more. The kit is powered by a 1,3A motor, capable of reaching speeds from 8,000 to 30,000 revolutions per minute. During our evaluation, the GOXAWEE Rotary Tool Kit exceeded expectations. It includes nearly every accessory a DIY enthusiast might need, such as cut-off wheels, grinding stones, sanding discs, and polishing wheels. Safety features like a guard collar and maintenance essentials like replacement brushes are also part of the package. While it operates smoothly and is sufficiently powerful for most applications, it does struggle with power when cutting steel compared to other models. However, the tool is well constructed and comes with a 2-year warranty on the electric motor. A reassuring addition, the motor itself impressively achieves speeds up to 30,000 revolutions per minute with ease. Pros: highly durable and reliable rotary tool, offers high motor speed of 30,000 RPM, comes with the largest accessory kit, 2-year-long warranty. Cons: slightly large in size. Number 2. Dremel 4300-540 High Performance Rotary Tool Kit. The Dremel 4300 stands out as a premium choice among rotary tools, boasting a robust 1,8 amp motor that delivers speeds ranging from 5,000 to 35,000 revolutions per minute. This high-performing corded tool comes equipped with several valuable features, including a detachable work light, a universal chuck, and a comprehensive set of accessories such as grinding and sanding wheels, cut-off wheels, and carving bits, all neatly stored in a sturdy hard case. In our rigorous testing, the Dremel 4300 demonstrated exceptional power, slicing through thick steel with ease and outperforming other models in speed and efficiency. The addition of a detachable work light enhances visibility, making precision work simpler. The tool-free interchangeability offered by the easy lock system on the cutoff wheel significantly simplifies disc changes. However, we noted a discernible vibration when operating at speeds over 20,000 revolutions per minute, regardless of the accessory used. Despite this minor issue, the Dremel 4300's overall functionality and quality of accessories make it a top contender in its class. Best features: comes with inbuilt LED light, 45-piece accessory kit, 2-year-long warranty, decent build quality. Number 3. Dremel 8220-128 Cordless Rotary Tool Kit. The Dremel 8220-128 Cordless Rotary Tool Kit is the ideal companion for any renovation task or hobby project. Boasting a versatile and powerful performance, this tool is equipped with a strong 12-volt motor that operates at variable speeds between 5,000 and 33,000 RPM, allowing for flexibility across a range of applications. Efficiency is at the forefront of the design with a dedicated on/off switch, a quick collet lock for easy handling, and an easy twist nose cap that facilitates swift changes of accessories. The tool is powered by a robust 12-volt max lithium-ion battery, which offers 33% longer runtime complemented by a super-fast 1-hour charger. The kit includes 28 accessories, enabling a multitude of functions such as cutting, grinding, carving, engraving, and polishing, to name a few. It's suitable for working on various materials including metals like stainless steel and cast iron, wood, ceramics, leather, and more. The Dremel 8220's ergonomic design features a slim, lightweight body that is easy to manage and a 360° grip zone for exceptional control, even in confined spaces. Key features: great value for money, strong variable speed motor, incredibly versatile, 2-year warranty. Number 4. Avid Power Cordless Rotary Tool. The Avid Power Cordless Rotary Tool stands out with its sleek design and impressive battery longevity, making it an essential companion for both DIY projects and hobbyists. This rotary tool is driven by an 8-volt 2,0Ah lithium-ion battery, ensuring consistent and enduring power throughout its runtime. With 5 variable speeds ranging from 5,000 to 25,000 RPM, users have precise control to tackle various tasks including cutting, carving, sanding, sharpening, and polishing across different materials like metal, wood, plastic, and ceramics. Notable for its user-friendly design, the Avid Power rotary tool features a compact, lightweight body and a comfortable non-slip rubber-covered handle, enhancing ease of use during extended periods of work. Illuminating dark work areas are 4 built-in LEDs positioned at the front, providing superior visibility for intricate tasks. Changing bits is effortless thanks to the quick accessory change system, compatible with attachments from other rotary tool brands. Completing the package, the rotary tool comes with an extensive 60-piece set, a convenient canvas tool bag for organized storage, and a rapid battery charger, ensuring users have everything they need for a seamless work experience. Number 5. High-spec 134 PC 160 watts corded power rotary tool kit. The high-spec rotary tool stands as a robust, dependable, and user-friendly solution for household maintenance and crafting endeavors, offering swift and efficient completion of tasks. Driven by a high-torque 1,4 amp/160 watt motor, this tool provides ample power for a wide range of light to medium-duty applications while minimizing vibrations for enhanced control. From polishing stones for jewelry making to engraving intricate designs and tackling woodworking projects, the high-spec rotary tool offers remarkable versatility. Its 6-speed settings, ranging from 8,000 to 35,000 RPM, are easily adjustable via the thumb wheel located atop the tool for quick adaptation to varying tasks. Compact and lightweight, the rotary tool ensures comfortable handling, aided by its generous 2-meter power cord for flexible maneuverability. Moreover, the universal collet system accommodates a wide array of rotary tool accessories available on the market, enhancing its versatility further. Backed by a 3-year limited warranty, users can rely on the high-spec rotary tool for lasting performance. Pros: great value for money, efficient design, powerful motor, low vibration design. Cons: bits can come loose easily.